Good afternoon, students. This is a computer class for class 8 and it is a day number 28 and lecture number 28. And we are going from the chapter number 2, that is MS Access, queries, forms and reports. Okay, student, in yesterday's class I had given you the demonstration of how to create calculated field. I hope all of you understand that demonstration of calculated field very well. Okay, now we are move forward to this chapter. Our today's topic is forms. Student, in our previous classes we already learned that in MS Access we have four types of objects. What four types of objects? Table, queries, forms and report, in which we learn about the queries. Now today we learn the second object, that is the forms. So what is form? Form allow you to control the look and feel of the screen for the input of data and report generated. I am repeating, forms allow you to control the look and feel of the screen for the input of data and report generated. Okay, student, a form in MS Access is a database object that you can use to create a user interface. And who are the users? We are the users, because we use all these data in the form of queries, forms, report and table. So we are users. So we can use it to create a user interface for a database application. Student, you can say that forms in MS Access are like display cases in that stores and make it easier to view or get the items that you want. For example, suppose that a one person is going to take the admission in school. Then for taking the admission, you take the form from the school in which there are different fields like name, father's name and mother's name, address, phone number. Clear? And it is all in the form of boxes. Suppose that here is written name and there is a box to fill the name, then the father's name, and you have a box to fill the father's name. Understood? So all these are in the graphical forms. So it is the example of form. Since forms are objects through which you or other user can add, what is the meaning of edit? Some changes. Suppose that you want to change the name of any student or you want to change the phone number of any student, then it comes in the category of edit. Okay, or display the data stored in your Access database. Okay, now student, forms have some views in which we are able to see it. So come to the topic, let me explain what is form view. Okay, what is form view? There are three ways to view forms in MS Access. What are these three views? These three views are design view, form view, and layout view. There are these three views available in MS Access. So let me explain one by one. What is design view? It allows you to design form that includes a header, a footer, and details in the form. And what is the meaning of header? Header means the top of the page. Suppose that in the design view you are able to include in design view you are able to include the header. That means you can make the entries at the top of the page. Suppose that you are creating the form of your school, then on the top of the page what we have to write? The school name, that is the Vishnu Bhagwan Public School, uh, and the here the symbol of the logo of the school. So whatever we add at the top of the screen is comes in the category of header. So design view allows us to include the header. And what is footer? Footer means the entries that we include in the bottom of the page. uh, Suppose that the page number, the author name, and you can also write the date here, or the signature of the authority. Understood? So the entries that is added at the top of the screen is known as the header, and the entries that we include at the bottom of the page is known as the footer. So design view allows us both the facility of header and footer and details in the form. Okay, you can add images and control that which field appears on the form. That means in design view you are able to add the images. In images the logo of the school or company comes. In images your image will come, and you are the facility to control which field appear on the form. Suppose that you only want to uh, include the first name of the student in the form, you don't want to add the last name of the student or middle name of the student, or suppose that you only want to include the address, not the landmark. So design views allows us to control that which field appear or which field you want to include in the form. Understood? Now the second view is form view. What is form view? This is a dynamic page which allows the user to enter and edit data or navigate through data in a field. I'm repeating, this is a dynamic page which allows the user to enter and edit data or navigate through data in a field. That means in form view you are able to edit, enter and edit means change. You are able to add and change the data in the form. Okay, now the last view is layout view. This view allows you to design the form and manipulate data. I'm repeating, in the layout view this view allows you to design the form and manipulate data. Okay, manipulate means some modification. So these are the three views of forms. So this is the lecture for today. In our next lecture, we will see the demonstration of or practical of how to create the form with the help of MS Access. So write down today's homework. Now I hope you understood today's topic very well. If you have any confusion, then you can ask in your class group. So what is the today's homework? Today's homework says draw a table draw a table of draw a table of form view draw a table of view draw a table of view form draw a table of view form your in your fair copy. Okay, so what is the homework? Draw a table of view form in your fair copy. Okay, so what is the table of view form that I had explained it today? You have to draw it in this table in your fair copy. Okay, student, tomorrow we will learn the next topic. Till now, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.